what you're looking at here is the page that lists out all redirects in a Drupal site. And this is offered by the redirect module. So if you want to manage your redirects in Drupal, look at using the redirect module. But one feature that the module doesn't have is any type of metrics, because it's important to know if a redirect is actually being used. There's no point of managing 50 or 100 redirects if they aren't being used. Luckily for us, there is a submodule called Redirect Metrics, and this keeps a log and counts how many times a redirect has been used. Go ahead and download the module, but one thing to be aware of, if we scroll all the way down, just be aware that depending on how your Drupal site is cached, especially if you are using a reverse proxy, then the count may not work. So just be aware of that. Of course, test this out before you roll it out onto your production site. So let's jump into our Drupal site and go to extend. And I've already downloaded the module. So I'll search for redirect and install redirect metrics. Then if we go back to our redirect page and refresh, we should see two new pages: popular redirects and also stale redirects. So stale redirects are redirects which are older than 6 months. So that means the redirect hasn't been used for more than 6 months. But if we come back to popular redirects, we can see that the access count is 0. Let me go ahead and go to these URLs a few times. Now that I've gone to the old parts, you can see under access count how many times this redirect has been used. So using redirect metrics is a nice way of just managing your redirects.